Hi guys! In this video, we are gonna see how to do and how not to do your eyebrows. Shall we? First thing, instead of holding your kajal straight, hold it slightly slantingly. By that way, the pressure will be less and you won't end up looking like this. So please go light-handedly. Another thing is that don't start all the way from the beginning where your eyebrow starts. Instead, start somewhere in between or a little bit away from the starting point, because it might look a bit unnatural when you start all the way from the beginning. I'm just going to give an outline and fill the sparse areas ever so slightly, since we are using a kajal, and anyway we are going to use a spoolie to spread the product out. Not too dramatic, but at the same time you can see the difference significantly. Method number 2. Instead of using the kajal directly, we are going to use an angular brush. This gives much more natural finish without the need to cautiously control the pressure on the product. இந்த ப்ரஷ்ஷை வச்சு நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ ப்ராடக்ட் எடுத்தாலும் நீங்கள் உங்கள் ஐப்ரோஸில் அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது செட்டில் ஆகிற ப்ராடக்ட் மட்டும்தான் செட்டில் ஆகும். ரொம்ப ஹெவியாக தெரியாது, அதாவது ரொம்ப டார்க்காக தெரியாது. And every other step is the same, like drawing the outline and then filling in the sparse areas and then using a spoolie to spread the product out. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for clinging on till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to do that. And if you like the video, hit the like button. Until I see you guys next time, bye.